What's going on, guys? Back with another video. For those of you guys who are subscribed and watch my videos, you know what day it is. It's time for the 1K giveaway. I appreciate all you guys that have left comments. Man, I was overwhelmed, and I appreciate all you guys' support, all the comments about, how much you guys enjoy my content and keep at it and all that. So just want to let you guys know I appreciate that. For those of you tuning in that don't know, here's the giveaway. This is a bottle of Tennessee Orange 245 Shave Gel, a bottle of Black Brown 245 No Drip, and one of my color enhancement cards. Guys, these are sold out, so this is the only way to get one right now. And real quick, while we're at it, guys, I'm going to share some news with you. I found out this week my order of color cards will be in January. I'm getting 7,000, guys. This just started as a random idea. Now I'm ordering 7,000 pieces. New distributor. I'm going to show you guys. This is top secret, not really. But I'm not sure how much I can tell you guys, but I've been working with my guys at 245, and here is a rough idea of what they're going to look like. So I'm going to throw this up on screen. Guys, you're the first to see it. They'll be in January. If you don't have one, make sure you go cop one. But without further ado, let's get to this contest. All right, guys, we're going to hit this button right here and see who wins the giveaway. Oh, no. Cuts by Coast? You got to be kidding me. He's my barber that's in this video. He's going to die when I show him this. Guys, we are going to redo it. Man, I just realized it says congratulations with a D. Anyways, guys, that's my barber that's getting a haircut in this video. I'm going to have to hook him up with something since technically he won, but let's hit it one more time. We're going to redo that. That ain't fair. All right. Austin Knox, you're the winner. I'm going to comment on the comment that you left and let you know. And reach back out to me and we'll get this sent to you. So anyway, guys, we'll get right into this video. I do have a special Christmas Jackson freestyle design video dropping on Monday. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And let's get to it. All right, guys, this video is going to be a medium taper with the edge up. We're going to fade his beard. This is my guy, Cuts by Coast. Go subscribe to his channel if you haven't yet. All right, guys, so we're going to go in with our Slimline Pro. Go ahead and bald out his sideburn. If you guys can see on this side of his face, he has a burn scar. So we take the taper up above and below that so that we can go ahead and bald that out and not leave any gaps in the hair. So we'll start with the Slimline. We'll come in with our skeleton as normal. And then come in with our shaver behind that. Alright, guys, then with our wall seniors, we'll do our open section. Same steps as always, guys. We're going to go bald to a 2-guard, so we're just setting ourselves up. Here's our open section. We'll come back in with our slimline, and then close the clipper up and start to work that section out. Now, like I said, we're going to go up to a 2, so I'm just going to clean the side up and make sure that all of this is a 2 before we work into it. Guys, honestly, on this haircut, me and him go back and forth all the time, kind of messing with him, but I prefer to connect this to the sides instead of being an undercut like it is. So you're going to see we're going to shape it up a little bit at some point, but he likes it disconnected. If I had my choice, I would connect it, so it's a little bit of a compromise, but as you can see, we're going in here with our 1-guard open. And then we'll close it up and take the line out underneath. This guy's going in with the 1/2 guard to clean up anything that 1-guard didn't get that's left of that line that we put in with the open clipper. All right, so now all we have left is the 1.5. We cleaned that up with the 2, and then we worked our 1 up into it, and anything that's left in between that, we'll clean it up with the 1.5 guard. While we're on this side, we'll go ahead and do the edge up. We'll do his C-cup and the corner of his box, and then we'll go ahead and go behind the ear, and then we will work on the beard. Alright guys, so we're going to take a 2 guard with the grain on the beard, and that will kind of leave us some length on his cheek that's going to kind of blend into the bottom, and then we'll flip that over immediately and come up with a 2 open, and then close it. And now we're on the 1.5 guard, so the same steps as before guys, we're just working upside down. So 2 guard, 1.5, now we got our 1 open, and we'll close it up, go to a open clipper and fade it all the way out to skin. There we just close it up. Now we got a no guard, and then we will close that lever and take the top of the line out. I'm going to let him do his neckline, guys. I'm just going to give him a top edge and the back edge here that he can't see. And then he's going to go cut it. I think he wanted to cut it down a little bit himself, so he'll do his mustache and cut the rest if he wants. But just to make the finished product look nice, I wanted to go ahead and do the top of the beard at least. And we're going to do some color enhancements. So. All right, we'll do the same steps on this side, guys. You know the drill. Speed it up, and I'll get with you on the back. You guys notice right here, he has a bump on his head right there. I did not cut him with a guard or anything. He's got a little bump, little skin bump, and one of my guards cut it, or caught it, I should say. So it does bleed a little bit, but that's part of it. When you get skin tapers and get short haircuts, sometimes you get a little irritation here and there. And we like to use Skin Tight at my shop. I don't know what you guys use. You can use like Andis Bump Care, but Skin Tight's what we use. So I'll put a little bit of Skin Tight on a neck strip and just kind of press it on there and hold it for 30 seconds, and that'll kill that bump, and probably the next day it'll be gone for him. So. You guys will see right here, I'm going to actually shape this a little bit with my trimmers, which is what's so cool about these trimmers. I think I was giving him a hard time. He did give me permission to kind of somewhat connect this taper to his fro and just kind of shape it out instead of having it such a bulky afro. So I like it cleaner. You know, as a barber, he's one of my barbers. I think that we should we should wear haircuts that are nice and neat and kind of keep our people wanting that. If you're supporting growing a huge afro that isn't cleaned up and not tamed, then your clients may want that, and you're obviously going to stay busier if you got people coming in and keeping their haircuts maintained. So to me, I think something neat and clean is always better. It's whatever you guys want to wear though, but that's kind of what I think. So here we're going to go in on the neck, guys. Start with our slim lines. I don't know why. I guess I do know why the camera's on the side, but every time I do a neck taper, I swear it looks so crooked. But just know, guys, this is straight. So we did our bald line. Now we're going to come in with the open clipper, and then we'll work that section out with the clipper closed. Guys, he has kind of a funny occipital, kind of a bump there, so he really likes to keep his taper really low. So you guys are going to see me pack this really small, but you guys can see it can be done. So you're just working the same steps as normal. Keep it where you want it, and don't go outside of that, and you should be able to achieve what you're going after. That's a one guard open. We come in now with it closed. Start to take that line out. Of course, go to our half guard after that. Half guard, guys. I did take a 2 in there at some point and kind of flick out into that curl. I didn't show that. I don't know why. I don't know where it was, but take the 1.5 and we'll clean up the rest of this and we'll move on. Edge up. I'm going to start in the corner where I started with my lineup that we did earlier, and we'll work our way across. His hair in the middle grows pretty straight, so really we're just edging up his corners and making it sharp. Like I said, on this left side he has a burn, so we are going to somewhat, I guess, technically push him back, but he wants an edge up, so we kind of have no choice but to go past that scar to where the first part that he has consistent hair and give him an edge up. So it's still within where his eyebrow is, so I don't consider it too much of a pushback. And the hair doesn't technically grow there anyways, but we will have to make that match on the other side. But for a cosmetic haircut, he wants a good looking sharp lineup, so that's what we're gonna do. I think I bumped my tripod right there. What do you guys think? Going in with the 245 no drip. This is the Onyx Black, and that's my color card. Guys, I hope you like the news I shared at the beginning of this video. These will be in soon, probably January-ish. Talked to my guy today. I'm so excited, guys. I appreciate all you guys supporting me. They will be in stock soon, and I'll get them sent out. I'm actually purchasing my own shipping label printer, packaging, all of that, so I can ship them out of the house. So we're going to take this on, guys. I ordered 7,000, so we're going to take this on all the way. But I hope you guys that have these enjoy them, and if you don't, make sure you check out the link and go grab you one. So just going in, using these angles to give him enhance his line, and then we'll come in with the razor after that and give him a sharp edge up. You guys can check out the finished product. you guys already know, going with the Tomb 45 triple cartridge razor. I did use my skeletons on him, and he kind of likes to dry shave just because it gives it that sharp line. So since we're not cutting a lot of hair off, we're going to go in here and dry shave this lineup. And we have the color enhancement on there. You guys will see this cut really come together. And I'm still working on my angles, guys. When I'm using the razor, it's hard to get that camera to catch everything. So I left in most of it that you can see that I'm not blocking, but some of the beard line, it was hard to keep my arm out of the way. So it is what it is, guys. Guys, pay attention to that skin stretch. I can't stress enough, that's how you really you make the curves flat, and that's how you really get a sharp edge up. So hope you guys like this cut. Leave me some comments in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up, of course, and if you guys aren't subscribed, make sure you hit that button, turn on your notification bell, so you guys will know when I drop new content. So again, guys, this is my homie Cuts by Coast. Go check out his channel. He's getting started. Leave him some feedback. Let's get him motivated to keep at it. And we'll see you guys next time. If you guys aren't subscribed to my channel, make sure you click this link right here. If you want to check out some more content from me, check out this video right here. Appreciate it.